Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make Asun. For those of you who don't know what Asun is a Nigerian dish and is smoked goat cooked in bell peppers and Scotch bonnet. And guys, it is absolutely delicious. Traditionally, Asun is found as a street food and is grilled on a smoker grill outside, but today I am going to use the oven instead. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Stay with me and let's get started on this recipe. For the Asun recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. In this bowl, I have my goat meat. This have been cleaned with lemon, water, and ready for seasoning. I also have Scotch bonnet and red bell pepper. Of course, feel free to increase your Scotch bonnet if you like your Asun very spicy. For garnishing, I have red onion, red bell pepper, and green bell pepper. In this bowl, I have blended onions. I also have black pepper, white pepper, lamb seasoning, Maggi cube crayfish, adobo seasoning, and Badia complete seasoning. I will list all the ingredients, including measurements, in the description box below. Now to marinate the meat, I'm going to use onion puree, white pepper, black pepper, Maggi cube crayfish, lamb seasoning, Badia complete seasoning, and adobo seasoning. Feel free to marinate your meat using your preferred seasonings of choice. As I've added all my seasonings, I'm just mixing everything together well to ensure that the meat is well covered in the seasonings. I am now going to cover the meat with cling film and I'll place it in the refrigerator and allow it to marinate for at least 2 hours. You can certainly allow the meat to marinate overnight. In a vegetable chopper or food processor, add the red bell peppers and the Scotch bonnet. And guys, Asun is meant to be very spicy, so feel free to add more Scotch bonnet if you want yours to be spicy. I'm going to blend for coarse consistency. I don't want the mixture to be smooth. And this is the consistency I am looking for. I'm very happy with it, so I'm going to set this aside for later use. Now in a pot, I'm going to add the marinated meat, and I'm not going to add any water because the onion puree already has water and the meat will also release its own juices. Now I'm going to cover and allow the meat to come to a boil. As you can see, the meat has come to a boil, and guys, as I mentioned, I have not added any water. The meat has released its own juices. I'm just giving this a good stir. I will cover and allow the meat to continue cooking until the stock has reduced and the meat is tender. And guys, as you can see, the stock has reduced and the meat is tender. I'm going to remove the meat from the stock, and next I will cut the meat into pieces. Also guys, don't discard the stock because you can use it when you're making stew or even jollof rice. I'm now going to cut the meat into small pieces, ready for the oven. Some people prefer roasting the meat first and then cutting into pieces. However, I prefer cutting the meat into pieces before it goes in the oven. And as you can see, the meat is nice and evenly chopped. I'm now going to put it on a baking rack ready for the oven. And this is what the meat looks like on a baking tray. Time for the oven. I'm going to grill the meat in the oven at 150 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. And 20 to 30 minutes later, the meat has browned nicely. I'm now going to remove it from the oven. In a wok or pan, add a little bit of oil. Next, I'm going to add the meat and I'll mix well. I am now going to add a blended pepper mixture and I'll mix well on medium to high heat for 3 minutes. And guys, the Asun smells so good. My taste buds are jumping for joy. I'm now going to add the garnishing. I'll continue to mix everything together on medium to high heat for about a minute and it will be ready. And the Asun is ready and it smells incredible. Oh my goodness, my taste buds cannot wait any longer. Guys, you certainly have to make this recipe. I love Asun and it just makes your Friday night even better. I'm now going to garnish with a little bit of red onions and now it's time to Netflix and chill. As always guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. Click the notification bell which will notify you every time I post delicious recipes like this. And I will see you next time. Enjoy your Asun. Bye.